Thank you so much. Thank
Hi.
you so much for joining me here today for your testimonial video. So I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Sure.
So why did you go solar?
Well, for a lot of different reasons, mostly to save money, of course, with the high electric bills going up. And we just wanted to help save the environment. So we've actually saved 6 trees already. So
Wow.
I know it's pretty good. We don't have any trees around our property, so we get good. And they're wonderful. They're beautiful. We
I
love
love that. That's
them.
amazing.
I think it just made our house look so much better.
Oh yeah, completely. Of course. And how would you say your experience has been going?
It's wonderful. We get to monitor exactly when the sun is out, when it's not, how much we're using, how much we're saving. And we're already on a buyback plan. So I mean, we're way above that now. So
That's
so we're
beautiful.
going to get some big credits already. So
I
it's
love to.
wonderful.
Amazing. And would you recommend anyone to go with green home systems, and who helped you along your solar journey?
Actually, it was Miguel Hernandez. He was our project manager. He made sure that they did the most professional job you ever, and they was letting us know along the way while they were up on our roof what was going on, what they were doing, how high they were going to be off the roof, making sure that they didn't hurt anything. And on the side of the house, they were giving us information on what they were putting in and how it was going to go every step of the way. They wanted to make sure that we were happy with everything.
That is great. So great
Right.
customer service.
Well, and also at JC Solar, Lindsay was the big help. She was the king and queen, they were, of making sure that all the permits were correct, and all that paperwork was something we did not have to worry about. So
I love to hear that. That
I
is
know it's wonderful. It was the
well,
easiest thing we've ever done.
yeah. Well, the whole team, we're
It's
so
so
happy you went with
affordable.
us.
I know, and it's so affordable. I couldn't believe how affordable it was.
You
It
see?
was just fabulous. It was probably one of the lowest bills we have. So it was great.
I love to hear.
Recommend it to everyone, anyone who wants to save money, help the environment, and make your house just be the most rocking house on the block.